on this episode of Storm Chasers.
No, that's a major tornado. Yeah, that's huge.
The TIFF team chases dangerously close to a violent EF5 tornado.
It's on the ground.
Stop here!
It's moving right at us.
Deploy that. Tornado, stop your vehicle. Warning him.
A massive twister threatens Team Twist X's delicate scientific instruments.
Tornado wind speeds are 160 mile an hour plus.
It's a big tornado, guys. It's monstrous.
Yeah, it's huge. I don't think this is such a smart thing to do.
And a major tornado outbreak threatens Team Dominator's hometown.
Holy!
That storm right there heading straight for our houses.
We're getting hit by debris!